Hello and welcome to Coach's Corner, a collaboration between Real Coaching and Leaders Edge Coaching. It all starts with this idea of a circle of coaching success. This gives you the opportunity to be able to jump in regardless of where you're at in your real estate career. There are good, solid solutions available to you to help you achieve the success you're striving for. I'm Chris McGatt. It's a pleasure to be with you today. I'm with Leaders Edge Coaching, and thank you for letting me pop right into your sales meeting, or quite frankly, wherever you happen to be. At Leaders Edge Coaching, we focus on three things. We want to empower agents to make more money, to take control of their lives and their schedule, and have more fun in the business, right? Find more satisfaction in their career and the business. Now, you and I both know there are many choices when it comes to third-party coaching. So the question has to be asked, what is it that makes Leaders Edge so different from everyone else? Well, it starts out with this idea that we listen. We listen to what you need, what you want, and we develop programs to help achieve that level of success. The second thing is we've got a long-term history of success with Coldwell Banker. Over 20 years, we've been helping develop Coldwell Banker agents to achieve that level of success that they deserve. Our coaches are absolutely amazing. They have literally years and years of real estate experience, and they've got great knowledge about how to help you achieve that success that you're striving for. And lastly, we have the ability to be able to learn and understand your tools and your resources, and then integrate what you already have into your existing business. That saves you time and it saves you money. So at Leaders Edge, we've developed 3 different programs to help you get where you want to go. First, Leaders Weekly, right? That pathway to real estate success, that group coaching solution. We've also put together a program called Jumpstart Coaching, specifically designed to help people break through whatever's holding them back, that one specific topic. And then what we're going to talk about today, this idea of tried and true, innovative, proven one-on-one coaching to help you build a long-term career of success in the real estate business. It's innovative, it's proven, and it's fully customized for your personal business. I think we could agree that, quite frankly, building a successful real estate career can, quite frankly, be a little bit overwhelming and a little bit daunting in many cases. You think about it, there are so many elements and strategies that all have to come together at the exact same time, the exact right time, to create success in the business. Our success is created when we help you become successful by, again, matching up the perfect coach with the needs that you have in the business. Now, we attract a very specific type of agent when it comes to one-on-one coaching. We attract agents that are determined to make more money, sell more homes, determined to take control of their schedule, take control of their lives, people that really want to be able to scale their business to a higher level, and people that recognize that when you can combine a quality experienced coach with customized strategies, not generic strategies, customized strategies, you get the result that you're looking for. Now, our one-on-one process is really quite unique. First of all, we provide you with an assessment. We want to find out what is it about your current business that's driving success, and what is it that, quite frankly, is creating a challenge in your business. We take that assessment, we take that learning, and then we craft together the perfect coach. We work on identifying the perfect coach for you, because the coach that you work with really matters. Then we take the time to create sustainable, realistic goals that you can achieve. And then we put you together with that coach 2 times a month for 6 months minimum, but many of our coaching relationships go on for a year or 2 or even more. Why? Because it works. And you and your coach craft those very unique, very customized strategies for your success. So what's included? Not only do you have that one-on-one coaching experience every single 2 weeks, 2 times a month, you also have access to Leaders Weekly. You have access to our entire virtual learning library. You have access to our app, which is where all the accountability lives. And then we give you digital access to all of our digital presentations, the listing presentation, the buyer presentation, and our budgeting tools. All of that's part of the program. Now, the price is $7.95 per month. Quite frankly, very reasonable in the industry. But for Coldwell Banker, that price is only $695 a month. So it's $100 off every single month, and we waive any type of enrollment fee. Now, all the details can be found at, quite frankly, Coldwell Banker University. It's where all the good stuff is, right? So make sure you pop in there, check out the details. Any questions you have, go right to your manager, come to us. We're happy to help out. But I wanted to share with you two stories of success that I think really exemplify what it means to be in one-on-one coaching. First person I'm going to walk you through, this is case study number 14. We have tons of case studies, but case study number 14, Laura Levy out of Colorado, an amazing individual. She'd been in the business for years as a marketing assistant and as an operational assistant. 2014, she said, enough is enough. I'm out of the real estate business. She went into the nonprofit space, did amazing things, but like many of us, when real estate is in your blood, it's hard to get it out. So she came back into the business in 2016. She got her license and she made a really important decision. She got a coach with Leaders Edge Coaching. And now she is the #1 real estate agent with Coldwell Banker Realty in all of Colorado. An incredible individual. Congratulations to Laura Levy. Now, when asked, here's what she has to say about Leaders Edge. She says, it's one of the best investments I've made in myself and my business. The coaches are top shelf. Leaders Edge has absolutely transformed my business. Well, let's shift gears. Let's go to maybe the next generation of real estate agent. Welcome, and I look forward to introducing you to Lindsay and Curtis Bennett. After graduating college in 2019, they moved to Southeast Florida. In 2020, right in the heart of COVID, they didn't know anyone in their town. They didn't know the real estate business. They got into the real estate industry, but they made two really good decisions. They joined Coldwell Banker and they hired a coach with Leaders Edge. Jason Keenery has worked with them now for 4 years. Fast forward 4 years later, they've been recognized as Rookie of the Year for their region, 2,300 agents. They've been recognized as 30 under 30 for Coldwell Banker all across the country. And now, this year, to date, so far, they've earned $860,000 in GCI. Now, you can't live on that, but let me tell you, it's a great start. We are so proud of them. These kids, as I call them, are 27 years old. They're well on their way to earning $1 million a year every year in real estate. Why? Because they've made the commitment to invest in themselves, invest in their business. When asked about their success, the answer was really quite simple. They felt that real estate was a daunting business when they first got into the business, that there were a lot of questions. They needed guidance. They needed specific direction. And now with Leaders Edge, they've got a map, if you will, a roadmap of success on how to continue to create higher and higher levels of success. Congratulations to Lindsay and Curtis, and congratulations to Laura Levy. We couldn't be more proud of them. Again, any question you have, check with your manager. And in the meantime, go to CB University. Find out more about what one-on-one coaching can do for you and your business when you're ready to be the very best version of yourself.